She's
Hindi
sleeping.
niya kaya yung presyo ni Toyota.
Bye, Maria.
Sibol ko kalugin.
Right.
Kaya nakuha niya naman ng buhay.
Hello.
Dati ano yan.
See you later. Bye. Don't like it. Right side tayo.
It's better.
Yeah. Wow, look at the painting.
It's very far away from us, but this one's not. It's just in front of us.
Wait.
No!
So this is the vanity area. So pretty. And this is the bathtub. Oh, so cute. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to Mama.
The bed is so nice.
It is.
What the heck?
We have this kit. Lavender balm. Sleep well. Yes, please.
Happy birthday. Mama. Happy birthday.
Are you guys okay?
Art, welcome here.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, we're lucky we got away. Barely made it out. Did you see what it looked like? No, he had a whole mask and everything. I couldn't tell. Okay, well, a freak walking around dressed like
Where are you?
they're gonna find him.
Yes.
How did you know he was dressed
Yay!
like a clown?
Yun talaga ang purpose niya, oh.
Are you guys okay?
You sing happy birthday to Mama first.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Love you. We're gonna eat some dinner.
Let's go, let's go. Go inside.
Hi.
Ano, yeah.
Good morning. So, it's not my birthday anymore. But look at them. They're still sleeping. Off to have some breakfast. Oh, my phone is calling. Sorry. This is the breakfast. Oh, come on, baby. Morning. There's some karate There's a lot of people. The pancake. We have some bread here. Ate.
Hello.
We got some bread first. And look! Oh, so nice.
No.
Art! Art, hi! Art! Say hi! Hi! Oh,
I'm gonna go to the other.
oh. You rest, you rest, you rest.
So go to so.
It's so much fun. So we're done swimming and we're now going home now.
No. I have to go